Buildings. Venues where people come together to live, work, party and shop. Buildings form the backbone of our society and our daily life. Like anything else, they too are at the mercy of time. When door frames start to rot, when window casements and sills need repair, or when even total windowsills need to be renewed. These challenges pose a far greater impact than just cosmetic. Think of energy loss, lifetime costing, or general discomfort. Rely on repair care for whatever the circumstances to support you as a professional. Repair care delivers organizational effectiveness, combining the latest technology and 30 years of knowledge to separate you from the rest of the crowd. We are rebuilding the future by investing every day in research and development, training programs, and guidance just for you. We take a responsible approach to saving our environment through our products and services. To avoid replacement of timber. To repair instead of replace means less production, less waste, more profit in every way. Preserving tomorrow's history. Repair Care. Total Joinery Repair Solutions.